Here's how to prepare your easy crunchy canton. Dalawang canton, kahit anong brand, pwede niyong gamitin. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1 medium-sized egg. And the seasonings na nasa loob ng inyong Páncit canton, kahit anong brand. And kalabo leaves. 3 kalabo leaves. First, we have to pre-cook canton by boiling them. And please never separate them. Let them stay intact. Kasi mamaya, malalaman natin kung bakit dapat hindi natin dito. Yan, dapat i-drain siya and then let them dry a bit. Para hindi siya basa later pag mix natin sa other ingredients. And let's mix the seasonings para balanse yung lasa niya. At nami-mix talaga sa lahat ng ingredients. Mix in some cheese. I used here magnolia cheese. 1 tablespoon lang. Tapos, i-mix natin ng maigi. Para talagang nami-mix siya sa lahat ng ingredients. There. Already. Come on. Our canton now is ready for the other ingredients. So just mix in cornstarch, the egg, and the seasonings na minix natin kanina ng maigi. Oh, that looks so delicious. And then minced kalabo. Hinay-hinay lang sa pag-mince para di masugatan. And then let's mix them in. And then mix them out. Oh, diba? Ang ganda niya. I'm sure magugustuhan to ng mga anak niyo. My kids love them too. Ito na yung purpose kung bakit hindi natin dinurog yung Páncit canton. Kasi para madali lang sa pagbuo ng patty niya. It's frying time. Dapat mainit yung mantika before you put in the canton patties. And then you wait till na golden brown sila. Para talagang crunchy. Presentation, nilagyan ko siya ng cheese sa gitna para magmukhang flowers. This one, guys, is also good for children's parties since yung mga bata pilitan talaga sa mga pinaka-enjoy yung parties. This is really delicious and nutritious since meron siyang kalabo and then the cheese na may calcium. Yan, diba? Ang ganda nila. So easy, masarap, at mura pa. I was able to yield 15 of them. And tada! There's our crunchy canton. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. At yan, I'm sure magugustuhan sila ng buong pamilya. Pwedeng pangimagas, pwedeng snacks, pwede ring may kanin.